The world's biggest companies by market capitalization operate within a range of different market sectors, including technology, communication services, energy, consumer cyclicals, and financial services. A company's market cap is calculated by multiplying the total number of its shares outstanding by the current market price of a single share. The majority of the companies making up the top 10 list generate hundreds of billions of dollars in annual revenue. These are the 10 biggest company ranked by market capitalization. Number 10. Meta Platforms Incorporated. Market cap, $252.56 billion. Meta Platforms is the owner of Facebook, the world's largest social media network. Meta provides products and digital platforms that enable individuals and businesses to connect with family and friends through mobile devices, personal computers, virtual reality headsets, and in-home devices. In addition to Facebook, it offers Instagram, a photo sharing app, and Messenger and WhatsApp, two separate messaging apps. The company also operates Facebook Reality Labs, which offers augmented and virtual reality products. Meta is also investing in and building the metaverse, an expansive virtual world that combines aspects of social media, online gaming, augmented reality, virtual reality, and cryptocurrencies. Number 9. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company Limited. Market cap, $337.09 billion. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, or TSMC, is a Taiwan-based company that operates as a semiconductor foundry. The company manufactures a broad variety of semiconductors on silicon wafers based on the proprietary integrated circuit designs provided by its customers. Its semiconductors are used in a range of electronics products, including PCs and peripheral products, information applications, wired and wireless communication systems, industrial equipment, digital TVs, game consoles, and more. Number 8. NVIDIA Corporation. Market cap, $343.3 billion. NVIDIA designs and develops graphics processors and related software. It was a pioneer in the development of the graphics processing unit, whose initial primary applications were in PC graphics and video games. The capabilities of the GPU are now being leveraged for use in AI and machine learning applications. The company offers products and platforms comprised of hardware, software, services, and more to serve the gaming, professional visualization, data center, and automotive markets. NVIDIA GPUs have also featured prominently in cryptocurrency mining. Number 7. Tesla Incorporated. Market cap, $552.48 billion. Tesla is a leading manufacturer of electric vehicles. The company's plans include the development and manufacture of a Cybertruck and a Tesla Semi, which is a commercial electric vehicle. Tesla also produces solar panels, provides solar energy generation, and supplies energy storage products. Number 6. Berkshire Hathaway Incorporated. Market cap, $629.4 billion. Berkshire Hathaway began from the merger of two regional textiles companies in the 19th century. Only much later was it purchased by legendary investor Warren Buffett and converted into a conglomerate holding company. Berkshire Hathaway today owns a large number of subsidiaries engaged in a diverse range of business activities, including insurance, freight rail transportation, retailing, and utility and energy generation and distribution. The company also operates manufacturing businesses that make products for industrial uses, construction, and for consumers. Number 5. Amazon.com Incorporated. Market cap, $878.77 billion. Amazon.com is an e-commerce retailer that sells a broad range of products and services globally and is the world's biggest provider of cloud computing services. Its e-commerce business includes merchandise and content that it purchases for resale from vendors and those offered by third-party sellers. Amazon offers various subscription services and web services as well, including its cloud computing service and fast-growing streaming entertainment business. Additionally, the company manufactures and sells electronic devices, such as Kindle e-readers, Fire tablets, Fire TV, and Echo and Alexa. Amazon sells groceries through its subsidiary, Whole Foods Market Incorporated. Number 4. Alphabet Incorporated. Market cap, $1.1 trillion. Alphabet is the parent of Google, whose search engine dominates the global market. The company offers a range of technologies and digital services, including search, the Android smartphone operating system, the Chrome browser, the Gmail email services, the Google Drive online file storage platform, Google Maps, Google Photos, the Google Play App Store, and YouTube. The company also provides cloud services through Google Cloud, which allows developers to create and deploy applications as well as a variety of workspace collaboration tools. In addition, the company earns revenue through a growing array of hardware products such as the Pixel phones, Fitbit, and the Google Nest Home collection. Alphabet also operates its other bets segment, which includes emerging businesses such as the self-driving car business Waymo. Number 3. Microsoft Corporation. Market cap, $1.67 trillion. Microsoft is a global developer and licensor of software, devices, solutions, and services. The company is well known for its Windows and Office suite software as well as its Xbox gaming hardware. MSFT is getting a growing share of its profit and revenue from cloud computing services, for which it is one of the market leaders. Microsoft's main cloud platform is called Azure. Microsoft also owns and operates LinkedIn, the popular social networking site for job seekers. Number 2. Saudi Aramco, market cap, $2.01 trillion. Saudi Arabian Oil, better known as Saudi Aramco, is a Saudi Arabia-based integrated oil and gas company. The company was founded as Standard Oil's overseas operations and is today owned by the Saudi government. Aramco operates both an upstream and downstream segment. Its upstream segment engages in the exploration and production of crude oil, condensate, natural gas, and natural gas liquids. The downstream segment is engaged in refining and petrochemical manufacturing, distribution, and power generation. Saudi Aramco also operates a chemicals business that makes products such as aromatics and olefins and complex products such as synthetic rubber. Number 1. Apple Incorporated, market cap, $2.14 trillion. Apple has become the world's most valuable company. Apple designs, manufactures, and markets a broad range of consumer technology products, including smartphones, personal computers, tablets, wearable devices, home entertainment devices, and more. Some of its most popular products include its iPhone smartphones and Mac computers. Apple also has dramatically expanded its sales from services. It operates digital content stores, provides cloud and payment services, and recently launched Apple TV Plus, a streaming service for on-demand entertainment content. Thank you for watching. Please hit a like, subscribe and notification.